today I'm opening a evolving size Pokemon pack. So you know one pack and that card was pretty neat. And you don't see the actually am out with new property today. What so opening and hopefully that something got favorites out might be in the green farm up. But the winter is colder, so that's why my wearing the jacket. I'm gonna put a card in there. Tomorrow now when that card, I did walk to the door and my students up doing now I'm not gonna walk to doing that's like where what that is wet, so what do my get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shiny. Yes! That's real. Wow! My awesome. I get that. Let's get that it's the moon now. Put this in my pile. Yep. Moon card, very next. And that is my favorite card, and next thing. And people tell me my brand name and up.